Hi guys, guess whose room is getting a makeover today? Zara. Yay! So we changed out the little girl bed, installed her big girl bed, and we got into work to make her princess room a dream come true.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during.
So this is what her room currently looks like. She's been in this room for a little over 3 years now, from when she moved in to this room and this bed at about 8 months old, to growing and making memories here. Like, it's been an amazing time. We did the painting, upgraded a few things. We've watched her smiley face from her crib to her moving into a toddler bed. It's been an amazing time until the time we had to change up the bed and added a few things to help her transition into her toddler bed. And then we knew it was time to actually upgrade her to a twin bed, like a big girl bed. And this was the same bed her big brother stayed in from when he was a newborn until he became a toddler. You can imagine how long we've had this bed and the memories that have been made on it. In fact, there was a time he found it a little hard to let go when we had to get him into his own big boy bed, and it's such a great time. So we got into work. We bought her a nice mattress. We opened it up a few hours before the bed was installed so that it could puff up, since it was pressure pressed. So we hired someone who came and dismantled the toddler bed. He also had to take out every part of the toddler bed, and he packed it up nicely so that it could be easy to store in our storage. So the new bed came well packed with every instruction needed to install it, and within a few minutes he was done fixing up the bed, and we had a nice looking beautiful twin size bed right in front of us. I was still contemplating if I should leave it against the wall, since I had the fear that she might fall if there was no edge protector. So we had the mattress fixed and it was looking all great. And before we knew it, it was time for her to come back to school. So she came in and she wasn't really feeling the whole room. I guess this was because it wasn't giving her the princess vibes she wanted, but she was happy after all. Mama, do you like your big bed?
Yeah.
You now have a big girl bed.
And it's not decorated.
Yeah, it's not decorated, Mama. I need to put the new sheets.
Yeah.
Within a few minutes, I had the bed dressed and everywhere was looking all beautiful. I already had like some of our wall decoration installed. Some of these I got them from Burlington and some from Amazon. I would have them linked in the description box. The room was looking beautiful. In fact, it was more than we ever expected, and I couldn't just describe how much I loved this room. And I know she was going to love it. It gave all the princess vibe. She's a lover of princess, anything unicorn, pink. She loves pink and purple. That was why we decided to do her room a two-tone room. And yeah, that's it, guys. We were able to make her room a dream come true. She got her princess inspired bedroom. I can't wait for you to see how excited and how happy she was when she came in and saw her room all beautiful. In fact, her brother wanted to spend the whole day in her room, and Daddy was even considering getting the same bed for her brother. Yeah, I really loved doing this. I still have some things that I will be adding to the room, like at the head of her bed, like the panel of her bed. I'm hoping to add a few things, maybe like her name, initial. I'm also hoping to add a mirror on top of her dresser, or I might be changing the dresser to a silver one to complement her bedroom so that everything like will be very uniform. But for now, I'm going to keep it this way, hoping that once I decide, I will do more changes, including her closet that I'm yet to build. And if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye. You like your bed, Mama?
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
I knew you would like it.